JioPhone Next. I'll be just unboxing this JioPhone. Here it how it looks like. I'll just show you a couple of features. So we have a voice command service here. Hi Google.
Oh hi, good to see you. How are you doing?
Then we have another video feature.
Take a photo of words you want to understand. No words found. Try taking a photo of a newspaper. Take a photo of words you want to understand. JioPhone Next Guide LS1542QWN. Jio, reach us at 1-800-890-9999.
Then here is WhatsApp. You have to just put your number and you can just start using WhatsApp. You have YouTube here. You can play any video on YouTube. This is the volume button.